Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to separate data in Excel based on different criteria using the filter formula. Let's take this table as an example. This table has the name of the students in the first column and their results in the second column, which are either pass, fail or absent. Our goal is to separate all the students into their respective columns based on their results. To insert the filter formula, click on this FX button and search for the filter formula. We could use the formula directly in the formula bar or in the cell, but it is easier to understand through insert function dialog box. Anyway, as you can see here, we need 3 arguments for this formula. 2 of them are mandatory and the third one is optional. The first argument is the data range that we want to separate. In this case, we will select the list of the students and fix the cell reference using the $sign. The second argument is the logical operation or criteria to filter the data. We will select the second column that contains all possible results and use the equal sign to find the desired result. In this case, pass. The third argument is optional and will display a result if no match is found. So let's write here no match found. Once all the arguments are entered, click OK. And here we got the list of the students who got passed. Similarly, we can copy this formula to the next two columns to get the names of the students who got failed or who were absent. Now let's see what happens if criteria doesn't match. In new column, let's use first position as criteria and copy the formula in this new column. Since there is no such results in the original data, we got the message that we had mentioned in the optional argument, no match found. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more useful tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.